Hi guys, welcome to Gym Kitchen Connect. Today we'll be doing chair workout for a strong core. This is a HIIT routine. We have 6 different exercises, 2 rounds each. Let's start. Get a chair and sit comfortably. The first one is bicycle crunch. We'll be doing it for 20 repetitions. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. Just keep breathing. Make sure you're breathing. Go at your own pace. If you want to slow down, you can. Couple of seconds more. Keep going. And we are done. You can take a pause for some time before we begin the next round of the same exercise. Let's start. Bicycle crunches, 20 repetitions. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Keep breathing. Make sure you're breathing. Never hold your breath. Go at your own pace. If you want to slow down, you can. Couple of seconds more. Keep going. And we are done. You can take a pause for some time before we begin the next exercise. The next one is high knee raises, 20 repetitions again. Make sure you are raising your knee high to at least your chest level and then clapping down below the thighs. Go at your own pace. Make sure your back is straight. Keep breathing. Couple of seconds more. Get going. Almost done. And done. We'll begin the next round of the same exercise. High knee raises, 20 repetitions. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, keep going. Go at your own pace. Keep breathing. Never hold your breath. Make sure you're bringing your knee to at least your chest level. Couple of seconds more. And we are done. So we are done with 2 exercises. We'll have to get up from the chair for this next one, which is cross plank. Very carefully put your legs on the chair. Make sure you have a good grip above that chair. The left leg should go towards the right hand and the right leg should go towards the left hand. This is cross plank. Make sure you are very firm on that chair with the legs. Keep breathing and go at your own pace. Couple of seconds more. And done. You can take a pause if you want. Otherwise, we'll start straight to the second round of those cross planks. And start. Remember, right knee to the left hand and left knee to the right hand. Have a firm grip on that chair. Never hold your breath and go at your own pace. Keep moving and do what you can. Almost done. And done. You can take a pause or jump directly to the next exercise. For this, you have to sit in front of the chair. These are leg lifts. You have to lift your leg over and above the chair. Make sure your back is straight. We'll be doing 20 repetitions. Go at your own pace. Never hold your breath. Make sure your legs are safe. You don't hit the chair. Keep going. Couple of seconds more. And we are done. We'll start the next round of the same exercise. Leg lifts, 20 repetitions. Make sure your back is straight. Protect your legs. They should not hit the chair. Go over and above the chair. Keep breathing and go at your own pace. Keep going. Couple of seconds more. And done. You can take a pause or jump directly to the next exercise, which is mountain climbers. Hold the chair and keep moving your legs. Go at your own pace. You can do a little faster or a little slower. We are almost done, and that's done. We will jump directly to the next round of the same exercise. You can take a pause if you want. Otherwise, just get on with it. Go at your own pace. Never hold your breath. Hold the chair tight. And we are done. You can take a pause if you want. Otherwise, jump directly to the next exercise, which is regular plank. Again, we have to lift our legs, keep it on the chair, and these are regular planks for 20 seconds. Hold that position. Almost done. Suck in your belly. And done. We have one more round of this same exercise. 20 seconds, regular planks. And start. Remember to suck in your belly and keep breathing. Never hold your breath. Do as much as you can. Give your best shot. We are almost done. And done. You can take a pause or jump directly to the next exercise, which is push-ups, elevated feet push-ups. And start. We'll be doing 15 push-ups. You can do more if you can or do less. Just go at your own pace. Remember to suck in your belly and keep breathing. We are almost there. Come on. And done. We'll jump directly to the next round of push-ups. 15 push-ups or more if you can. And start. Remember to go at your own pace. Keep breathing, never hold your breath. We are almost done. and done. You can take a pause before we start the next exercise, or you can jump directly to dips. We'll be doing 20 repetitions. Hold the chair and go down on your butt. Make sure your back is straight and you are breathing. Be firm on holding that chair and go down as you can. Keep going. We are almost done. And that's done. Let's start the next round of the same exercise. Dips, 20 repetitions. Remember, this is the last round of the last exercise. Give in your best shot, never hold your breath, and go at your own pace. Keep breathing. Go down on your butt as much as you can. Keep your back straight. We are almost done with this whole routine. This is the last exercise, couple of seconds more. And done. So we are done with this whole routine. Don't forget to do your cool down and stretch. Bye.